back to Rgvtrucks TV. Today, guys, we are taking the Pantera back to the body shop. We do have a car show coming up, the RGV show off, July 29 here at the Rgvtrucks Stadium. And we want to get Pantera ready. Like I said on the previous video, we do want to update a little bit of the claddings. We want to get those things out of the way. You know, keep it crispy, get it ready for the ceramic coating. So, again, guys, we're heading to the body shop. Follow us there. So yeah, guys, we're officially taking care of those little details on Pantera. Drove me crazy. I mean, like I said, I'm not a very picky person, but when I see a detail that I don't like take care of it. And call my compajero. He's like, man, bring it over. We'll take care of it. I knew this from the beginning that it did have little details, but we were rushing it to have it ready for Rgvtrucks. So it's my fault. But today is the day. We're gonna get Pantera crispy clean on those claddings and have it ready for the car shows again. The car show coming up. RGV show off. I think it's the RGV summer show off. It's gonna be July 29th, and it's at the Rgvtrucks Stadium. So excited for that one. It's gonna be the second car show Pantera is gonna be at, and I mean, hopefully it gets done. Hero did say he's not that busy, but every little detail takes its time. So hopefully it's done. Again, it's gonna be crunch time for RGV summer show off. And let me talk to you a little bit about that car show. Mi compa Eric, man, you know he's a hustler, he's a go-getter, and the type of car show he makes, like he organizes, is legit, bro. Like honestly is legit. Gathers all types of people, all types of clubs, all types of likings, and it's only that one show. So you'll have lowriders, you'll have imports, you'll have exotics, you'll have trucks, you'll have all these bikes and all these types of stuff at one single location. And huge props to compa Eric for actually hosting this car show, and it does take a lot of effort, but el pinche compa Eric is already automated. We're at the gas station. We're gonna pump some gas on Pantera because we haven't moved it since Rgvtrucks, and we did a little shoot with an Ace, and pues andamos vuelta y vuelta que se nos acabó el gas, so we're gonna pump some gas, some super unleaded, and we'll be on our way to Heros. Vámonos. So there you have it, guys. We dropped off Pantera with my compajero. My compajero wasn't there, actually. We dropped it off. But he knows what he has to do, and he's going to take care of it. Va a quedar la Pantera, vato. Mamalona. I mean, ya está mamalona. To my liking, I love it, bro. But it's just a little thing that was bothering me that we should have taken care of before we even get it painted, right? So we're supposed to prep the claddings, and I missed it. We were so caught up on the crunch time that I completely forgot to tell Hero, you gotta prep the claddings. But it's all good, bro. The first time he ever does a cladding completely, y se sacó la daga. Bueno, Compa Snacks anda de driver, o ahora el vato anda manejando, anda de Uber, porque I was doing a little bit of edits on my cell phone. We are also testing out a new camera that we bought. It's a Sony. I should have done Sony a long time ago. No te fue hecho caso.
No, pero pues está buena.
Nah. This Sony is crispier. Well, the thing is, que esta is dedicated especially for vlogging, right? And then it's this model, and then they have a newer model. But I wanted to test out the Sony, so I went with the cheaper model for right now. But voy a tener que comprar el otro. Está bien perra esta madre. I might have to buy the other one. already put my little cage on it. I already put my little touch to it. But let me know, guys, in the comments, how's the video looking. I think it's a bigger upgrade de lo que teníamos. Because the other camera that I was using for vlogging, one, the battery sucked. Two, it wasn't for vlogging. It's a camera for pictures. It's a hybrid. It's for pictures. I mean, it still worked, but está bien pesada. Y esta, mira. Hopefully we're getting some good audio because I don't have a mic on this one, but the built-in mic already is good as per the reviews, and that's why we got this one. The lens that comes with the kit is good, but we are gonna upgrade it to another one, give it a little more wider range. Pero cuando le pongo el stability, right, just to stabilize it, se hace cropping. Y con el otro lente que voy a poner, probably do G Master. El otro que le voy a poner se hace crop, pero como está muy wide, it's like the perfect, you know. So it doesn't crop in too much into the image. Pero I kind of like it. I like the way that it focuses on my face and it defocuses the whole background, which is badass. But again, man, every year something new comes up on these cameras, and I just want to buy it. Comprarlas. But again, guys, this is just a quick little vlog update de la Pantera, and we did live today, and I did mention that we are going to be giving away a vlogging camera that Canon made specifically for vlogging, and we're going to be dropping some more details on that soon. All you got to do is be following the channel. All you got to do is subscribe to Rgvtrucks TV and YouTube, and that will automatically enter you into the giveaway of the vlogging camera. And that's we'll go more into detail on that camera in a little bit, and we'll show you which one it is and what's the feature it has and all that stuff. And one of you guys is gonna be lucky enough to win it, and you all can start your vlogging. So if you've been thinking about starting to, wanting to vlog, quiero comenzar a vlog, there's gonna be a chance to win a vlogging camera courtesy de sus compas de Rgvtrucks, just to show you guys our appreciation, and just to get you guys out there. Si estás interesado en hacer vlog, that's gonna be your chance to actually win the camera. So, ¿qué más es? Nomás eso, just
pues vienen varios drops de ropa.
Oh yeah.
Vienen dos drops.
We got 2 drops coming. We're actually going to pick up one of the drops today, and then we will unveil both drops today.
Uno y después.
Okay, so yeah, guys, we have to hold on for a little bit on the. Okay, so you guys have to wait on that one, but we are going to be showing you the Rgvtrucks Summer Vibes, which is the one we're going to be dropping today. We're going to pick up today, and we're going to upload it to the store today, and you guys are going to see it first here on the vlog, and then of course then everybody else is going to see it. But yeah, guys, pretty excited to actually have Pantera 100%. I love the truck, bro. The more I see it, the more I fell in love with it, and it completes the whole super sport package. 22s, full cladding. We're gonna start in the interior, and we're gonna start in the sound system con mi compa Pete at Supreme Sounds. So that's gonna be on the next vlog. Hopefully, we have the sound system for West Texas Truck Show Fest. Hopefully we have it ready by then, para andar bumping con el sistema en la Pantera. So we'll see, guys. We will try to do the crunch time, but for now, crunch time is RGV Summer Show Off, and have the Pantera ready. Ligera, si no puedes acabarla, no hay pedo. Don't rush it. A la malona. We won't take it to the show. I just quiero que quede bien crispy, because after that, I told my compa Ivan from, I forget his name, Cartiveros, I think it's, or Caveros, I think it's Cartiveros. I'm gonna hit him up. He's gonna come and do a ceramic coat on a Pantera way. It's always looking clean. And And then we're probably gonna have to get a storage for it porque no tenemos espacio en la casa. Un little AC controlled unit y ahí le metemos en el storage. Hay que meter uno ahí por la casa está uno. So yeah, guys, again we are on the crunch time. Actually, right now we're on our way to work, so I might show you guys a little bit of what we're doing over here in the RGV. It's a crispy 102. Let me see if you can see that. 102 degrees here in the 956. It is hot, bro. It is hot. Pero pues aquí andamos como quiera echándole ganas porque los biles no se pagan solos. So guys, we were gonna actually give you a little sneak peek of the work we're doing here in the valley, but as soon as we're pulling up, I see OSHA pulling up. And guess what? Su compa no trae OSHA approved shoes. I didn't bring my work boots today because it's gonna be a chill day today. Nada. No, nos quisimos borrar la muletona esa y el vilezón ese de las botas. Mejor we'll show you guys another day. What else is for today? The agenda. Vamos a levantar los shirts, ¿verdad? We're gonna go right now, pick up our shirts y hopefully los compas quieren hablar tantito en la camera. ¿Ah? JPA, they need to talk on the camera, bro. So hopefully they're willing to chat. Sí, bien hablado. So hopefully they're willing to chat with us a little bit.
¿Estás en el estudio?
Yeah, we'll do studios. Yeah, so hopefully they want to chat with us and we'll get it on the video. But ahorita vamos a un taquito because it's past lunchtime. And we'll get something to eat, and then we'll head out to pick up the merch, and then we're gonna head out back to the studio, and you will be seeing more of us today, guys. Follow us. Vámonos. Acabamos de levantar la Summer Vibes shirt. Y está, it's over here in the back. Kind of saw a little mock-up right now that we did a little cinematic on it. Pero está mamalona, and you have to see it in person to appreciate all the colors on that shirt. Again, it's gonna go live this week on our page, shoprgvtrucks.com. Yeah, we're gonna post a mock-up on it. So it'll be live on the store this week. So I could jump in it, purchase your shirt, cause summer is almost over.
No sé si quieres hacer los primeros 10% un new keychain.
Oh yeah.
We can do it.
Snacks is feeling a little generous today. So the first 10 people that purchase the Summer Vibe shirt will be getting a leather keychain that we got made con el compa de Red Media Design. So the first 10 people, only the first 10 people will get a free keychain just to show you guys our appreciation for shopping at Rgvtrucks.com. Shop@rgvtrucks.com. Anyways, guys, so we're on our way to the Rgvtrucks studio. We're gonna get you more information on that giveaway that I mentioned of the vlogging kit. So stay tuned. We'll get you an update on that right now. Vámonos. So we're back at the Rgvtrucks studio, and let me show you guys the new Summer Vibes shirt dropping this week at our store, shoprgvtrucks.com. This is the front, Rgvtrucks is a turbo, and then we got TT in the back, boy. We got two twin turbos in the back, and your Summer Vibe logo. So huge shout out to Diablo Designs for doing this design. Also, Fast Screen Print for always hooking us up with all our merch. We're gonna be visiting them soon. They do have a photography studio that they're building, and we're gonna get more information of that. So we're gonna be visiting very, very soon, and maybe we can show you a little bit also of the shop, how they make all the merchandise and stuff like that. We are gonna be giving away one of the new Summer Vibe shirts. All you gotta do is follow us on Instagram. We're gonna make a little post, and all you gotta do is just like it, share it, tag your friends, etc. And we'll give you guys one lucky winner is gonna win one shirt of the new drop, Summer Vibes. That's gonna be it for this video. I will get you guys updated once Pantera is in the process of getting all the claddings fixed, and we'll be visiting Compajero back then. Appreciate everybody tuning into the channel. Remember, just like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next one.